Good morning. Wow, hello fella. Oh. That's a beautiful Australian hunchback spider living in the wheel of our bus. We've also got a lovely family of redback spiders living on the bus. Now, these spiders will actually kill you if they bite you, so unfortunately I'm going to have to exterminate these guys. But save them when you can. But oh, there's another one too. So we've got 3 different types of spiders living in this bus. Not sure what type that is, but he's gone now. Oh, we've got a caterpillar too. Now, in Australia, sometimes caterpillars can be worms. The spiders have climbed up onto the camera.